Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed a day today. Man, it was cool out there, 63 degrees. One of those days we're finally below normal by a good 5 degrees. Today, Doppler radar through the area. We'll be getting light scattered showers, basically virga, some of it falling out towards the foothills. A little bit of light snow as well. Every so often you'll get a little heavier spot of rain coming down. I mean, that it's actually hitting the surface. And you can see some of that earlier in the evening out towards Redding Springs as well. So this is what we're going to track. We have about maybe spotty, a trace to a quarter of an inch of rain before it's all done through tomorrow. Snow level 5,000 feet comes down to that. You might see 1 to 2 inches of snow there, but you can just see how spotty the shower activity is as the low pressure area up to the north continues to slip down over the next 48 hours, parks itself off SoCal. Then instead of coming over, it's actually in a retrograde and it's going to go westbound, move back offshore, skirt to the south, allow high pressure to build in, and then towards the latter part of the 7, we'll see yet again another one start to come down, really take the same trajectory coming away. So 61 tomorrow at the beaches, downtown 63, 63 for the valleys. Mostly cloudy. We'll get that chance of shower anywhere tomorrow, nothing heavy. Wednesday, I think we do a little bit better. I'm going to leave some rain in there just through the overnight period, but I think actually we go partly cloudy to mostly sunny, cool. Then we warm it up Thursday, Friday, into Saturday. Then Sunday and Monday, you can see the downward trend starts to take us yet again. For the IE, 63. High deserts, 55. Mountains coming in at 37, 41 on Wednesday. So up in the high country, it looks pretty good for Valentine's Day. Guys, unless you forget to get your Valentine something, a little warmer than that in the doghouse. Sometimes it's 47 to 48 degrees there. Just a heads up. Have a good one. We'll see you tonight at 11.